This is a plank and this is what it looks like. For our plank, we're going to be working our core in an isometric or a static hold. The aim of the game is to hold a neutral spine throughout, so ribs down, core engage, a slight tuck under through that pelvis so that there's no flaring through our ribs or tilting through our pelvis. There should definitely be no back pain, so if you are feeling any back pain, please regress down to your knees. Setting up, we're going to place our forearms onto the ground, palms can be down here, elbows will be right underneath our shoulders. We're going to step out, and from here we're going to tuck that pelvis under, have those ribs drawn down, push the floor away, and feet are around about hip width apart. From here we're holding this nice strong position, no movement through the spine. Focus on your breathing by breathing in 360 degrees to the belly, then breathing out, hug and wrap that core around. If you find it too hard, please drop down to your knees, still having that nice long position through the body. If you're a pro at your planks and you want to make it harder, we can use a plate on our back. It can be a little fidgety to get into, but I'm sure you'll get the hang of it. We'll place it up, and again, set yourself up, extend yourself out, lock off through that core, and feel the burn.